I'm going to strip this door out, remove the glass, have a look, see if we can take this out without too much hassle. Let's have a look. So, I'm going to turn it round. This is the top. I'm going to take this top panel off. Just two PH2 posi Phillips. Just make sure you can see. So you pull this top piece off. You want to do this now and again for cleaning anyway, so. And then your glass panel should just pull free. So that's it. One glass panel removed. So basically this is glued on now. Glued on there, so you can't remove these ones, so that makes it difficult. But if you look here, this will unscrew. The only thing is, once it's loose, I ain't going to let it drop because I don't want to be struggling. You can undo that, and there's your lock catch. So when you put your new one in, you have to feed it up, sort of like get something to go through, hold it and pull it up while you put the screws in. So it's a bit of a pain, but there's no other way without taking the ungluing it. So you have to like feed it up. You might be able to get something long and push it up, or something to hook, pull it up, a magnet or something. But we're not going to undo that, because I don't want to mess about. So that's as far as I can go with that. Okay, so I'm just going to rebuild it now. Okay, so I'm just going to rebuild it now. So just slot the glass in place. Put the top back on. Real easy.